I don't usually do videos like this, but here are my thoughts on The Boys' final season and especially the finale. In my opinion, the overall season was pretty mediocre and pretty underwhelming, but the finale was really good in my opinion. Still underwhelming, but not bad. Like, I've seen a lot of people saying it's the worst thing ever, but it's not even close to the worst finale ever. If you want to see a bad finale, look at the Stranger Things finale or the Flash finale. That's what bad finales look like. This was not even close to bad, alright? It wasn't perfect, it wasn't great, but it was good enough. They completed every major storyline that they had to complete, such as Homelander dying to Butcher, and Homelander being powerless, and the public seeing how pathetic he really is, and the deep dying to the sea. I think all of that was really good. My biggest issue with this whole season is that for a lot of the time, it was just a big promotional season for the What Rising spin off, and yeah, they wasted a lot of time on like unnecessary stuff, and even the V1 itself was actually pretty unnecessary in my opinion, because it's not like Homelander did anything with it. Like, he got the V1, but he still got backed up by Ryan, Butcher, and Kamiko, and he didn't even destroy stuff like it was promised in the posters. So yeah, it was pretty underwhelming in my opinion, but still good enough overall. The season, I give it a 7 out of 10, but the finale itself, I'll say it's an 8 out of 10. And in my opinion, the best way to describe this whole season is the takeoff was smooth, the landing was smooth, but the flight itself was really rough. And I don't think I need to say this, but give Anthony Starr an Emmy already. Like, this man genuinely, this role, this was just straight up perfection. The memes, the acting, the line delivery, everything was fantastic. He's no doubt one of the greatest villains of all time. Like, he's up there with Darth Vader, Heath Ledger's Joker, and Thanos. Like, he's up there with those guys. But yeah, those are my thoughts on the season and the finale. Overall, I'll say it was again pretty decent but underwhelming. But I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on this season in the comments.